And today I'm going to be discussing a basic while loop using the string data type. The reason why I created this is actually because I'm having a good day, but I'm also having a bad day. Those days where you just had something really good happen and then I had something really bad happen. So I'm going to use it as an example today to show you how a while loop can be used as an example. This is just one example. However, this is going to give you an introduction to while loops. And I'm sorry for getting emotional on you guys, but it's just going to be a bad day. I didn't want to go longer than 7 days without content though. So let's go ahead and jump right in and run the program. And as you can see, I start out with my string variable here, and it's named kind of day to be pretty specific. So it's just the kind of day because this is a very basic program. And it's going to ask me if today is a good day. So let's go ahead and run the program. So is today a good day? No, today is not a good day. And as you can see, nothing happened. Nothing happened because I have my string variable here, and the conditional for that string variable is using the quality operator, which I discussed in my previous video, as well as the string variable basic example so far. Is kind of day equal to a capitalized Y? No, and is not equal to a capitalized Y. So therefore, it didn't enter the loop, and it just exited. It just exited the program. Make our while loop keep looping, I guess, as you can say, and actually enter in it. So what it's going to do, so now it's asking me, is today a good day? I'm going to say with a capitalized Y. Otherwise, if I do a Y, it's going to not work because it's not equivalent to that capitalized Y. As you can see, it will exit. So I'm going to run the program again, and then now I'm going to use the capitalized Y to enter my loop. Is today still a good day? I guess. Yep. So is today still a good day? Yep. Is today still a good day? No, it's not. And that's what causes my while loop to exit, is because as you can see, the kind of day is using the string variable kind of day, and it's checking to see if it's equal to a capitalized Y. So I have a capitalized Y, I have capitalized Y, I have capitalized Y, until I get to the bottom and it's not equal to N. This is because this was true. So as long as this condition is going to be true, then it will continue to loop. However, if it is not true or you want it to exit, then you would use a different kind of indication to get you out of that loop. I created some terms to look up and some notes from the video. I'll be adding some more just basic while loops, the string data type, which is in one of my previous videos. I remind with relational operators and my quality operators. Here, I'm just gonna say this. Usually I'm a boulder, okay? So like I'm not usually used to showing my emotion to people. So I could have came on here very strong and take my pride with strides, I guess. But today is not a pride day for myself. I'm not like personal pride. I'm setting that aside. I just want to say that I'm not going to pretend like today's a great day, because it's not. It is, but it's not. So I just want to thank y'all for your time. If you made it this far into the video, it's kind of embarrassing, but thank you.